This is not just a dry shampoo, don't get me wrong. I know it's called that, but it is so much more. It is a scalp treatment. It is a dry shampoo with 0 white cast. Plus, it has a custom designer fragrance mixed into it so that you can smell fresh even when your hair is not. We first, of course, focused on the formula, making this feel soft and airy and light on the hair. No girl likes a gritty feeling, messy, nasty haystack of a head when they use dry shampoo. We did the total opposite. This dry shampoo will make it feel like you just shampooed your hair plus conditioned it. It will feel so fresh, not weighed down, fluffy, soft, full of life, and healthy. Plus, like I said before, there are scalp care benefits built into this product. Since this product directly touches your roots, I made sure with long use of this product, your hair is going to feel and look thicker and fuller. I can't say enough good things about this product. I know I created it, but seriously, I didn't want to just create a dry shampoo. I wanted to change the game, and we did. We wanted to prove to you guys that this is actually a game-changing product for scalp care. And so because of that, this product is dermatologist and clinically tested. Boost X is perfect for all hair types and textures. I'm talking curly hair, colored hair, coily hair, straight hair, fine hair, thick hair, thin hair, all of it. This is truly a universal product that is great for everybody. And oh my God, we spent so damn long formulating this fragrance. When you smell it, you are going to be like, this is how dry shampoo should always smell like. To use this product, make sure you shake vigorously. You really want to shake that can as much as possible so those ingredients all mix together. Then section your hair out with your hands and spray about 8 inches away from your root area. I like to then take my fingers and just kind of massage it in and then brush through. And that is our Boost X dry shampoo. Enjoy.